Hi friends, it's Sarah. Welcome to or back to my channel. Today I will be guiding you through a quick and gentle wind down flow to help promote rest and relaxation at the end of the day. This flow will be done in bed, which is super awesome, and all you will need is 2 pillows and your favorite blankie. Let's get started. Alrighty, my loves, now that you have grabbed your favorite blankie, maybe some CBD, maybe some herbal tea, let's hop into the flow. We'll be working from the top down as we relax deeper into this flow tonight. So, to start off, I want you to come to a comfortable seat, whatever that looks like for you. So for me, I will do crisscross applesauce is the technical yoga name, and I'm also sitting up on a pillow. You could have your legs out long or maybe sitting on your heels. Before we get started, I do just want to address the elephant in the room. This bed makes a lot of noise, so you're gonna have to forgive me for that. Let's get started. Go ahead and sit up really tall. Drop your shoulders away from your ears. And then I want you to imagine you have a little string coming out of the top of your head. And I want you to imagine someone's pulling on that string. You're gonna get a little taller through the crown of your head. Good. Close your eyes. Place one hand on your belly, one hand on your heart. Again, drop your shoulders away from your ears. And let's take a moment to let our minds come into this present space. Beginning to drift away from what the day held with us. Letting go of any to-do lists, any future plans. And just arriving here in your lovely bed. Let's take a moment to seal this awareness with a deep round of breath in together. Take a breath in through your nose, fill your belly up with air. And then exhale out the mouth, let it go. Good, twice more. Inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth, drop your shoulders. Last round, deepest round of breath yet today. Big breath in. And exhale, let it go. Awesome. Open your eyes or keep them closed, and let's begin. Go ahead, and we're gonna start by making little tiny circles with our neck in one direction. Noticing how it feels. If these are your first neck rolls of the day, like they are for me, maybe you notice where things are a little tighter, where things sound more like a Rice Krispie treat than others. And then maybe you let your circles get a little bit bigger. Still sitting up tall, shoulders still relaxed. And then even bigger. Go as slow or as quickly as suits you tonight. Maybe you pause in some spaces that are a little more tender. And when you're ready, switch directions of your circles. Keep a similar size to what you were already going with. Again, taking it as fast or as slow as you need. Then let your circles drop down to a medium-sized. Maybe you close your eyes here. and then small size circles. Beautiful. Go ahead and bring your head back on top of you, and then you're going to drop your right ear towards your right shoulder. So we're stretching out the left side of the neck here, top of the shoulder. If you'd like to add on, you can extend your left arm out towards your side. Maybe you lift this hand, begin to feel the stretch all the way down your arm. And then you can add on even more by gently placing one hand, your right hand, on top of your head, being careful not to put too much pressure, just a little extra something. Good, slowly release any add-ons, bring your head back through center, and then we'll switch. Left ear drapes over the left shoulder. Pause and breathe here. Check in with your posture. Make sure it is straight, shoulders are relaxed. And then you can add on those same add-ons if you would like. If that feels good on the side, and if it doesn't, no worries. One more inhale. And exhale, bring your head back on top of you. Look left and right a few times. Go slow. Add on a hair flip if you want to add one more touch of sass to your day. Good. Slowly make your way back through center. Inhale, you're going to squeeze your shoulders up towards your ears. And then exhale, squeeze your shoulders back together and then down. Good, twice more. Inhale up. Exhale, imagine you're squeezing a pencil behind you. Exhale down. Last time, inhale, lift, lift, lift. And exhale, drop them down. Beautiful. Next inhale, reach your arms over your head. And exhale, working on the side body as your right arm comes down, left arm reaches up and over, creating a beautiful rainbow shape here. Nice stretch along the left side of the body. Maybe left hip gets involved a little bit too. Really focus on spinning your heart open towards the ceiling here. Maybe you smile. Inhale, come back through center. And exhale, switch. Left arm down, right arm up. Pause and breathe. Notice if one side feels different. And on my right side definitely does. We'll flow that twice. Inhale, center. Exhale, switch. Inhale, lift up. And exhale, reach. Last time, inhale, center. Exhale, stretch. Inhale, lift. And exhale, bend. Beautiful job. Come back through center. Bring your right hand onto your left knee or thigh, and then left hand comes behind you for a little seated twist. Pause and breathe here. Soften your shoulders away from your ears. And then I want you to pull your belly button in towards your spine. And maybe you twist 1 inch deeper. Big breath in through the nose. And out through the mouth. Good. Inhale, come back through center. And exhale, you switch. So left hand comes on the right knee and right hand comes behind you. Taking a moment to notice any differences on this side. It's all good. Here we go, get a little bit deeper in the twist. You're gonna pull your belly button in towards your spine. And then maybe you even look behind you if that feels okay on your neck. Big inhale. Big exhale. We'll flow that twice, going in slow motion as if we're moving through water. So inhale, unwind, come back through center. And exhale, you twist and stretch. Good, inhale, center, breathe in. Exhale, switch, turn your gaze behind you. Last time, even slower, inhale, center. And exhale, you twist. Last round, inhale, center. Exhale, switch. Beautiful job, friends. Come back through center and make a little more room here. So let's move down to our hips now. What you are going to do is you're going to come to crisscross applesauce. I'll move back just a little tad. You're going to come to crisscross applesauce. And then you're going to bring your, this is called your right leg, over to the left side of you. Left leg goes on top, and we're making a shoelace position. This is called cow face pose. And this pose looks very different for everyone. So for some of you, your knees may be very open. If maybe you're a little more mobile, then your knees may be closer together. But we're gonna be feeling a good stretch along your hips here, your outer hips. So you can stay up here if you like, or if you want to deepen, you can walk your hands forward and fold over your legs. So I'm going to encourage you to take this to be a more relaxing stance rather than I want to strengthen and push myself, since we are about to go to sleep. We're just trying to signal our body that it's time to relax. And one of my favorite ways to do that besides yoga is to take some deep rounds of breath. So let's do that. Take a big breath in through your nose, wherever you find yourself. And you exhale out the mouth. Once more, inhale. Exhale. Beautiful. Slowly unwind your legs. Maybe give them a little shake if you need to. And then we will switch. So your left foot comes to the right side of you. And then we're shoelacing the opposite leg, so the right leg on top this time. And again, our two sides may look very different. Your knees could be open on one side and shut on the other. That's okay. This is a very interesting pose. So if this is your first time doing it, welcome to cow face pose. Sit up really tall. Relax your shoulders. Feel free to lean into it if you like, but wherever you find yourself, take a big inhale through your nose. Exhale out the mouth. For these last 2 breaths in this pose, I'm going to encourage you to close your eyes. There's nothing happening on the screen besides me breathing with my eyes closed. I want you to take a moment to drop into yourself. Big breath in through your nose, fill your belly up. And exhale out the mouth, send it back out. Gonna inhale lots of love into your body. And then exhale that back into the universe. Good. Unwind your legs, shake them out. In our last pose tonight, you are going to need to come to your headboard. Technically, you don't need your headboard, but I like using it. So it's gonna look a little funny. It's called legs up the wall pose, and it is essentially exactly that. Your legs are up the wall. So how I like to get closest to my wall is to come up right beside it and then spin around and plant my legs on the wall. If you like, you could have a pillow underneath your hips to bring your hips above your heart. I absolutely adore this pose. I feel that by switching up the blood flow, I am allowing myself to switch up my mindset as well, which I find very powerful. This pose is great if you're ever feeling anxious or just need a reset throughout the day. And once you arrive, you can take a moment or two to get some wiggles out of your toes, any cracks out of your wrists or fingers. And then find a position for your arms, your hands that is most comfortable. Maybe you grab your blanket here. As we come to the end of our day and practice, which, when you think about it, kind of the same thing, our day and our practice. I sometimes like to compare life to yoga flows. Kind of warm up in some phases. Some phases you go a little slower. Some phases you do a lot of ab work, or maybe you did my booty workout. And then some phases are like this. And all stages of the flow are necessary to have a really dope class. So whatever stage you're in right now, enjoy it. Feel free to stay in this pose for as long as you want. Let's seal in our practice. Take a big inhale through your nose. Big exhale out your mouth. Once more on your own. Inhale through your nose. And exhale out your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me. Namaste. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you want to see more content like this. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you later. Bye.